Welcome to Cooking with Granny and Mama Soul Kitchen. Today, everybody, we're just going to go over our, wonderful griddle pancakes that we posted a couple of days ago. And I just want to go over it with you guys. We had some questions, some personal questions, and some really good questions. Yeah, so some people were saying, oh, you know what? For a box cake pancake mix, what pancake mix do I prefer? So coming from Granny's heart, I like Bisquick. Bisquick has been around forever, and I love how they taste and everything. You add your egg and your milk. Very simple, but it's something about just homemade pancakes. You got that right. There is nothing like great homemade buttermilk pancakes. Exactly. It's just that taste. Like when you go to a restaurant, and I'm not going to say who, but I love their pancakes. They have the best pancakes ever. They've been around forever as well. And they never shared their recipe, right? So I just say, if once they get that in the stores, and they have it packaged up, like how Starbucks has their coffee in the store and everything. So people going to buy that out the store. They ain't going to go to the Starbucks and go get it. They still will, but I'm just saying, you can make your own at home. But it just makes more sense to make your own, especially if you find a batter that you truly, truly love. The flavor. This is about the flavors that we shared in our foods. Exactly. So there were some other pancake mixes like Crustex mix and a Jiffy pancake mix and stuff like that. I mean, they were all due, but I just say, women, if you just want to keep your men, you got to throw away the cans and the boxes, okay? I'm just saying, get the cooking and the scratch going. It's much healthier. You have your own preservatives and all that stuff you have, but you put in your own stuff. You know what you're doing with your own food. Exactly. You don't have to worry about just adding water to your mix. Exactly. Oh, God. I'm just cringing just thinking about just adding water to the mix. That just, and the same thing like for our pancake mixes. When we mix our our cake box mixes, we don't add water. We add either sour cream or buttermilk. The flavors is so much richer. It tastes so much better. And, it tastes more homemade. Exactly. I get it. But right here, everybody, I just want to say, go back and check out our YouTube channel and our TikTok channel. We showed you guys how to make these wonderful thick pancakes, buttermilk pancakes. At that thumbs up from my granddaughter. She just loved it.
Most definitely. The other question is, they want to know, how long have you been married, Granny?
I have been married for 52 years. Yes.
And that's a
milestone. I know how to keep my man. Just saying. God rest his soul. He is now gone. But I do have a boyfriend. Life doesn't stop and I just keep it moving. All right, grandmother. We're going to keep it like that. Well, I'm serious. If you really want your man to be there in your life, ladies, and men, you want your woman to be in your life, men, I'm saying men, okay? You make sure that you start cooking from scratch for her or for him or whatever it may be if you really want to keep them. This is some serious business. It's like a business relationship. Business relationship, grandmother? Yeah, business relationship. Because business relationship can go a long way. If you make it work, it's going to stay in function for many years and decades and centuries if it goes that far. But that's how you do. You keep your man by cooking from scratch. Do a little romance, keep dating, and make sure, that's definitely the key. Even though our kids are going to college, we still date. That's how it's supposed to be. Make sure to keep that flame lit. Yeah, just keep that flame going. Exactly. That's how you want it to be. You want to keep romance going. You date all over again. You fall back in love, and then maybe you want to say some marriage vows and stuff like that. Yeah, we did that. It was so beautiful. But if you guys have more questions, let us know. Follow us on our YouTube for more.